bridge.
All crew to the assembly area. All crew, full combat alert. Fire without command. The target is within range. Missile launch. That target. That's a hit. Enemy elimination confirmed. Flight speed ahead.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at the enemy.
Prepare to fire. I see a hit on the target.
Establish visual contact.
Our ship is under enemy attack.
Half ahead. We are discovered. Full combat alert. Captain, the target has been captured. That's a hit. Target destroyed.
Keeping watch.
Helm aport. Missile launch. That target.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
I see a hit on the target.
Combat Unit 6. Take off. Base, I'm off the ground. Standing by.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Critical hit.
Enemy target detected. Bearing 9-1.
Captain, the target has been captured.
Enemy target eliminated.
Missile launch. That target. That's a hit. Both engines astern. Armor integrity broken.
Our ship is under enemy attack. Enemy helicopter detected.
The target destroyed. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Fire at the enemy. The target is within range.
It's confirmed.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Stop engines. Hard, a starboard. Starboard to helm.
Keeping watch.
target has been captured.
I see a hit on the target. Prepare to fire.
Stop all engines. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Torpedo 2 fired. Target hit. Missile launch that target. Target destroyed. Torpedo 2 ready.
Establishing visual contact. Damage reported. Keeping watch.
Establish visual contact. Hard of port. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Torpedo launch authorized.
Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range. Establish visual contact. Fire at the enemy. Torpedo fired. Stop engines. Target hit. The target destroyed.